Hello everyone, myself Mukul. In this video, we will be talking about the safe score to grab VIT CSE, securing a computer science engineering seat in top categories in Vellore campus. Okay, and in this video, we will be completely in English. This is my first time I am creating any video in complete English because many of the students in my previous videos related to VIT commented that they belong to southern region and they can't understand Hindi. They are also giving the exam VIT Triple 2021, and majority of students who are giving VIT Triple are from southern India and they don't understand Hindi properly. Many students also came to my Instagram handle and told that they didn't understand a bit what I said in previous videos. I will try my best to deliver all the information in complete English in this particular video. I am not that much habitual to speak English that much fluently, but I will try at a certain extent. So let's start and see what is the safe score to grab CSE in VIT Vellore in category 1, category 2, and we will be also talking about category 4 and category 5 seats as well. I have been researching about this from last 30 to 40 minutes by seeing the previous trends and all. This year, due to COVID and lockdown in various parts of country, VIT has also introduced online examination method, online proctored examination. So we can't expect the level of transparency that each year. So we can expect a little bit surge in cutoffs also. Let's come to the point and see that VIT Triple has maximum marks 80 this year. Okay, and we should know that how much we target to grab a good seat, CSE seat in Vellore campus, whether in category 1 or category 2, because as a student I can feel that we must have an idea of estimated marks we should target for. By seeing the previous year's trend, I came to the conclusion that out of 80 marks you should target for more than 60 marks to get a CSE category 1. And for category 2, it can be 55, 52, 53 marks out of 80. The data I am telling you is completely based on the previous year's trends when all the results, all the examination process was fair, was in offline mode or CBT mode, but on offline centers, not on home. Now we take the unique case of 2021 where students are provided to give exam from the comfort of their home, and we can expect some sort of cheating in there by some Jugadu students. This factor will not impact the cutoffs very abruptly, but we can see a little bit change in that. And if you are provided with the chance of complete cheating, and there will be very easy proctoring that I can't expect from VIT, there will be very high security proctoring over their artificial intelligence they are using. After adding the factor of cheating, we can say that there will be a little bit increase, which will be 2 to 3 marks in the cutoff. So we can finalize at the point that out of 80 you should target for 60 plus 65 plus for CSE category 1 and for 50 plus 55 plus for CSE category 2. And this cutoff is purely based on the previous year's trends and adding some amount of this year less transparency in the examination system. And no any YouTuber can confidently say this, you have to crack this much marks to get CSE in VIT Vellore campus category 1, category 2. But we can have our opinions, we can do research from previous year's trends. You can also do your own research by seeing the previous year's trends and cutoffs and all, but why wasting time when I am creating so much content for you? From now, stick to your studies. You got an estimated idea of the cutoffs. Now don't go here and there by searching the cutoffs and how to cheating hacks and all, because they are not going to help you at all. If the exam comes out to be completely AI proctored, then you will not have any chance to cheat. So please stick to learn formulas and revise all the theories of class 11, 12 at the board level and do the PYQs of VIT Triple. That is more than sufficient to crack this examination in that much duration of time. Okay, that was all about cutoffs and all, and it was my first step to create a video completely in English for my southern subscribers. So if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for further notifications. Till then, stay happy, take care, Jai Hind. But this time we have a bit something different. ठीक है, चलिए bit something different. ठीक है, क्या करें भाई, पहली बार इंग्लिश में बोल रहा हूँ, सब्सक्राइबर्स ने बोला तो करने का मतलब करने का. Bit different. This time there is some change in pattern of VIT Triple.